This training is about how to mix a lot of pictures together. To do this, you should first get a copy of your lawyer by pressing this icon and choose this tool and put it on the pixel and setting circle and from center should be ticked. So, and the color should be gray. From the center, you draw a circle. And so you should resize it. Press Ctrl T and right click and warp. So we have more changes in this shape and stretching to fit all over the apple. And click OK. So after that, you should go to the blending options and choose a stroke. So the color should be the same and the position should be outside, not inside, and resize it to a amount that is good to you. So I think 10 is good. And the inner shadow and distance should be so you can see the changes. So, and resize it. So I think it is good. So click OK. So after that, you should choose another picture and with this tool drag it into Apple and Ctrl T to resize that is good to you. So in this layer 2, right click and choose create clipping mask. So press Ctrl T and right click flip horizontal and resize and put in good position. So click OK. After that, you should choose color lookup and crisp winter to give us a cold color. So click this icon to apply the changes on this layer, not Apple layer. So press Ctrl J to copy out this layer and reduce the opacity to look normal. So go back to the layer, this layer, circle layer, and press Ctrl and click on it. So you can see the layer was selected. And go back to the background and with this tool, right click and layer via copy. So put it at the top or above all layer. So we take slice of apple, press Ctrl T and warp to do some changes on it. So click OK Next step is to go to this third picture, and with this tool select the shape or object you want to be an apple lawyer. Press Alt, so I think it is good. So with this tool, move it or drag it into this lawyer and press Ctrl T to resize it to amount that is good to you, and put it here, small it. So click OK, and so we try uh, to be congruent with this background or this house. So press color lookup and choose crisp winter and put it and apply it in this layer, and again hue saturation to look normal. So you can see the changes. And so uh, thank you thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck.